Hi guys, it's me JT and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat, and this will be my first ever video sa taon na to, and I'm wishing for more covers, tutorials, and vlogs this 2019. And ayun, so before we will start our tutorial today, shout out muna tayo. So yung mga maswerteng isa-shout out natin ngayon ay sina Marianita Gabas, Jessie Covero, Daisy Mercader, Emily Marie Pagaran, CJ Villarreal, Jessica Kim de la Vega, Alia Nadine, Cherry May Mirante, Joanna Dea, Carl Igarta, Chan Cipriano, Aaron Barcanosa, Wendy Jane, Vincent Paul Tornea, at lastly, shout out kay Hannah Rubinos. Ayan, so if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so be sure to drop your names on the comment section below. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a tutorial of this song since napaka-popular ng song na to since nag-start yung PBB. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Before It Sinks In by Moira de la Torre. So we only have 4 chords in this tutorial, and the first chord that you should learn is the chord of F add 9. This is F add 9, second string, first fret. Ayan, alam kong hindi to masyadong common and masyadong ginagamit sa mga tutorials ko, pero ayan, this is another chord, a new chord that you should learn, F add 9. And then for the second chord, we have the chord of C add 9. Ayan. So this is C add 9, index dito, middle finger, tapos yung ring finger mo parang pupunta siya dito sa circle na yan. No, not really, pero ito, ayan siya. C add 9. So, F add 9, C add 9. Ito yung mga bagong chords na kailangan yung aralin. Ayan. Tapos, for the third chord, we have the chord of G. Napaka-common na nito. Index, middle, fourth finger. Ayan, parang V-shaped na chord. And then lastly, we have the chord of A minor. So you just have to put your index finger here on the last string, second fret. Again, F add 9, C add 9, G, and then A minor. So let's jump off to the next part of this tutorial, which is learning the verse 1. So dito sa verse 1, we only have to strum once per chord. Ayan, napakadali, di ba? So, ganun lang. Tapos, ganun. Tapos, in strumming it, you have to use your thumb. Since magsa-strum lang tayo once per chord, pag ganun lang siya, guys. Ayan. Okay. So, let's try to sing the verse 1. Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing. Ganon. Hang by a thread, my heart is barely beating. Haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently? That I'm working the next day without you beside me. And who I hold on today, tomorrow will just be a memory that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So, dito sa pre-chorus, may plucking pattern na tayo, and we only have 3 chords for this part. A minor, G, and F add 9. Tapos, for the A minor, we have the plucking pattern of 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Ayan, okay? So, always remember that this string right here, this fourth string is the one that is facing your face, and the first string is the one that is facing the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then, pag ipa-pluck mo tong 4, 3, and 2, you have to use your thumb. And then, for this string right here, this one, this first string, or the A string, you have to use your index in plucking it. And then, the same with the second string. Okay? So, 4, 3, 2, 1, tapos 2. Ganon. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Then, after that one, move to the next chord, which is the chord of G. This one. So, same thing. 4, 3, 2, 1, tapos 2. Tapos after that one, lipat ka na sa F add 9. This one. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4. Yan yung plucking sa F add 9. Okay? So, balik tayo sa A minor. So, I breathe and let you go. 4, 2, 4, 1, 4. Okay? So, I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Tapos, isang down strum lang. Ganun. So, for the chorus, this is the part na may strumming na tayo. And yung strumming natin is napaka-common sa mga tutorials ko. And it is a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, to review the strumming pattern, yan, lagay lang natin yung first two natin dun sa chorus, F add 9. So, strumming, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, in strumming this part, medyo slow lang yung tempo natin kasi hindi naman to vibe and then jolly song. Medyo sad tong song na to. So, yung tempo ng pagsastrum natin is medyo slow din siya. So, before it's too late, I'll take a step away. Ganun lang yung speed ng strumming natin. So, again, yung strumming natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then, after, sa isang buong strumming pattern, lipat ka na to the next chord, which is the chord of C add 9. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Balik sa A minor. Same thing. And then G. Tapos, ayan, yun yung chord progression din natin sa chorus. Okay, so let's try to sing the chorus. Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word would make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you are mine. How do you go from making one your own and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in. Tapos, yun, so let me take it in, isang strum lang, G, and then for before it sinks in, you have to strum once per chord also. Before it sinks in. Ayan. So, F add 9, G, and then C add 9. Let me take it in before it sinks in. Tapos, after that one, yung transition mo for the next verse is C add 9 lang. Tapos, just use this strumming pattern na down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, before it sinks in, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Tapos, verse 2 ka na. So, yun. So, for the second verse of the song, strumming lang din yung gagamitin natin. Same strumming pattern. So, ayan. And then, every F add 9, parang strum once lang. Tapos, pagdating mo ng C add 9, gagawin mo na yung strumming. So, may ganito siya. Far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss. And I don't know where I could find strength to let you go. So, pwede din naman na buong strumming pattern din siya na far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Depende na yun sa inyo. Pero, both strategies will work. Ayan. So, ayun lang. So, let's try to sing. I know, dito din pala sa Pack His Bags and Left Me All Alone, that part, kasi before that part, yung mga lines doon, same thing lang naman yung gagawin mo. So, let's jump off to these last two lines. Packed his bags and left me all alone. Oh, oh, oh. Ayan, sa part na yan. So, for A minor, G, and F add 9, sa part na alone, and then yung another home, ayun. So, diba, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, yung first two down strums natin dyan is for A minor lang. Okay? Left me all alone. Ayan, A minor. And then, paglipat mo sa G is up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. left me all alone. Tapos sa F add 9, balikan na. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Yun pa rin yung strumming pattern natin, but for this progression na A minor and G sa Alone and Home, yung first two down strums is A minor, and then yung up, 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 down, dapat nasa G ka na. So, ayun na. So, let's try to sing the verse 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss, and I don't know where I could find the strength to let you go, when the only love I've come to know packed his bags and left me all alone. He found another home. So, after that part is balikan na naman sa chorus. So, after the chorus is the instrumental part. Ano to yung puro na lang. So, yung gagawin mo dyan is use the strumming pattern, still down, down, up, 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 down, up. And then yung chord progression natin is F add 9 and C add 9, and you have to repeat it 4 times. Ayun lang. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Isa na yun. Tapos, balikan naman. 2, 3. Tapos, 4. Ayun lang. Ulitin mo yung F add 9, C add 9 with the same strumming pattern 4 times. And that is for the instrumental part. So, after the instrumental is another chorus, and kung ano yung tinuro kanina, yun lang din yung gagawin nyo sa last chorus. Walang nagbago. So, same thing, and ayun, same strumming pattern and chords and lyrics, of course. So, yun lang.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.